we are back with another very delicious and very easy recipe of liver. We usually call it Kaleji in a very quick and simple manner. So let's start. Heat oil, add half kg of sliced onions, whole spices. We have taken 3 black cardamoms, 3 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. We are going to fry our onions till they are golden in color. Now add 1 full teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. We'll roast our ginger and garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Now we are going to add liver to it and roast our liver till the color is changed. Color is changed. Now we are going to add our dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. We will roast our spices for few seconds. Spices are roasted. Now add lemon juice, 1 cup of curd. We will mix it and cook till the excess moisture is evaporated. Now add half cup of water. Mix it. Cover the lid and we are going to cook it till our liver is soft and tender. Let us check on our liver. It is done. Now add 4 green chilies, 1 cup of dill leaves or soya, coriander leaves, and we are going to roast it till the excess moisture is evaporated. Add salt to taste. Roast it nicely and then transfer it to a serving dish. It is done. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Serve it with onion rings, green chilies and lemon wedge. You can enjoy it with chapati, roti or parathas. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. Or if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy, delicious and quick recipes. And share it with your family and friends.